Unconventional money tips for millionaire mindset. The conventional money tips and diving into some insights that come from years of real-world experience. If you're ready to step up your financial game, hit the like button and let's jump right in. This is Ash Cash Stash, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's dive in. 1. Coffee in affluent places. Let's flip the script on traditional money-saving advice. Instead of axing every expense, let's embark on a unique journey. Imagine sipping your daily coffee not in the usual corner cafe, but in the lap of luxury, a high-end hotel or a swanky cafe. The ambience is different, the way affluent individuals place their orders is intriguing, and the overall vibe is nothing short of inspiring. It's not just about the coffee, it's about immersing yourself in an entirely different atmosphere that might spark a fresh perspective of life. In this upscale spot, you're not just getting a caffeine fix, you're absorbing the energy of success and refinement. The surroundings, the clientele, and the attention to detail create an experience that transcends the ordinary. It's a chance to witness firsthand how those who have achieved financial success navigate their everyday choices. This unconventional approach to your daily coffee routine isn't about extravagance for its own sake. It's about embracing an atmosphere that fosters a mindset of abundance, possibility, and the potential for greater things. So, consider swapping your regular coffee hunt for a place where opulence meets the everyday. It might just be a subtle shift you need to infuse your routine with a touch of luxury and open your eyes to new possibilities. After all, sometimes a change in scenery can lead to a change in mindset, setting the stage for unexpected opportunities and a fresh outlook on your financial journey. Number 2. Pay off credit card debt ASAP. Let's dive into a harsh reality that many face: the perilous trap of credit card debt. Before you entertain the idea of splurging on experiences or diving into investments, there's a crucial step to tackle first. Prioritize paying off your credit card bills. The seemingly innocent interest rates attached to these cards can swiftly escalate, creating a financial whirlwind that's tough to escape. It's like being caught in a loop where each month adds more to the burden. The key to financial liberation? Break free from this cycle by swiftly and strategically clearing the credit card debt. Clearing your credit card debt is not just a financial move, it's a game changer for your overall well-being. Picture shedding the weight of high-interest payments, giving you the freedom to allocate your hard-earned money where it truly matters. This is about regaining control, avoiding the pitfalls of accumulating interest, and steering clear of the stress that debt can bring. It's a powerful step toward financial stability. So, how do you make this happen? Craft a plan to systematically tackle your credit card balances. Prioritize paying off the cards with the highest interest rates first, and gradually work your way down the list. Consider exploring balance transfer options or negotiating lower interest rates with your creditors. By taking proactive steps to eliminate this debt, you're not just settling a financial score, you're paving the way for a brighter, more secure financial future. Number 3. Invest in self-education. Let's talk about a game-changing strategy: investing in yourself. Picture this: you come across a compelling book, an intriguing seminar, or an online program that promises to elevate your skills and knowledge. The question to ask yourself is, do I believe that the insights gained from this investment will significantly boost my earning potential over the years? It's not just about the tangible product you're purchasing. It's about making a profound investment in your belief in yourself. When you decide to invest in yourself, you're essentially placing a bet on your future success. It's a deliberate move to acquire knowledge, skills, and perspectives that have the potential to set you apart in your field. Think of it as planting seeds of growth that, with time, will blossom into valuable assets. This isn't merely a transaction, it's a commitment to your personal and professional development. Consider the long-term benefits of such investments. A book, a seminar, or an online course can act as a catalyst for continuous learning, propelling you toward new opportunities and higher income brackets. The dividends from investing in yourself are not just monetary. They extend to your confidence, competence, and overall satisfaction in your chosen path. It's a powerful journey of self-improvement that pays off in ways beyond that meets the eye. Number 4. Increase your investment percentage. While saving is essential, the real game changer is increasing the percentage of your income that you invest. Start with a high percentage like 70% and gradually decrease it as you age. The idea is to balance enjoying life with building wealth. The sooner you prioritize investing, the faster you'll see significant returns. Before we move on to the next segment, it's time to join the Subscribe Squad. Hit that like button and stay tuned for awesome content. Number 5. Enjoy coffee. Skip alcohol. When it comes to socializing, opt for coffee in luxurious places over alcohol. While a coffee might cost a bit more, the experience and the environment can be more enriching than a night out at a regular bar. Plus, the financial and health benefits of avoiding excessive alcohol spending are significant. Number 6. Set weekly investment goals. Take a proactive approach to investing by setting a specific amount each week to put into a separate account. This disciplined approach ensures consistent investment, and over time, it can grow into a substantial portfolio. It's about making investing a non-negotiable part of your financial routine. 7. Dress for success, even at home. Your attire matters even when you're working from home. Dressing for success, whether in the professional environment or your home office, can positively impact your mindset and productivity. Find a simple, consistent wardrobe that aligns with your personal style and watch how it influences your work ethic. Conclusion. There you have it, 7 unconventional money tips to fuel your journey to millionaire status. Remember, it's not just about cutting expenses. It's about strategically investing in yourself and your future. Once again, this is Ash Cash Tash. If you found these insights valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and share this video. And for more engaging content on economics, business, and personal finance.